Alright, what's going on, guys? JJ Wilson is here, and I have another new report regarding coronavirus. And it turns out, looks like this is not going to end anytime soon because we have a new variant. We have found something very interesting. A new variant has been discovered, and it is called Deltacron. Yes, so this will be episode 31. And I'm reading this article from Bloomberg.com regarding Co Vid. And the title says, The article says, Cypriot scientist says Deltacron COVID variant is not an error. And if you hear some noise in the background, it's raining outside. I'm at the house, so you'll have to forgive me for that if you hear any background noise. But I'm on my cell phone, so that's good. Anyway, a Cypriot scientist defended his assertion that a new strain of COVID exists, which combines the characteristics of not only the Delta variant, but also the Omicron variant. Now, other scientists have speculated that Leonidas Kotrikis, I think that's his name, Kotrikis, his findings are a result of laboratory contamination. But he told Bloomberg in an email statement this Sunday, which was today, January 9th, 2022, that he has identified an evolutionary pressure to an ancestral strain to acquire these mutations and not a result of a single recombination event. So what he's saying is this wasn't made in some random laboratory accident. Like, he actually found this in somebody. Now, while there's still a mystery of how the coronavirus appeared and everything, I do suspect it was made in the lab, at least the original version of it. But, you know, with these different mutations going around, I think that's all environmental. But anyway, let's keep going with this article. Let's see, the Deltacron infection is higher among patients hospitalized for COVID-19 than among non-hospitalized patients. So that rules out the combination hypothesis, says the doctor that found it, Kotrikis, a professor of biological sciences at the University of Cyprus and also the head of Laboratory of Biotechnology and Molecular Virology. So, what's more, the samples were processed in multiple sequencing procedures in more than one country, and at least one sequence from Israel deposited in a global database exhibits genetic characteristics of Deltacron. So, I see a tweet here from Tom Peacock. He says, small update, the Cypriot Deltacron sequences reported by several large media outlets look to be quite clearly contamination. They do not cluster on a phylogenetic tree and have a whole Arctic primer sequencing amplicon of Omicron in an otherwise Delta backbone. So it sounds like he's disagreeing here. Let's see, recombination forms of viruses can arise when there are multiple variants of a pathogen circulating, says Nick Lohman, a microbiome genomics professor at England's University of Birmingham, who studies coronavirus. While a recombinant form of Delta and Omicron wouldn't be a complete surprise, the finding from Cyprus is more likely a technical artifact that arose in the process of sequencing the viral genome. So, Cyprus Health Minister Michael Hachiplatela, sorry for these names, they're long, says Sunday that the new variant is not a concern and more details will be given at a news conference this week. So we'll hear more information about this Deltacron. Some people think it's not going to spread that much, but we don't know for sure. But yeah, tell me what you guys think. You think there are going to be any more new variants popping up now that we got a combination of Delta and Omicron here? It seems like this pandemic is not going to end anytime soon, it seems. But anyway, we'll have to find out. More information, I guess, will be on the way. And if I do decide to make another episode, I'll let you all know, of course. Anyway, that's it from here. I'll see you guys later.